You always want what you can't have, and while you had it.
Microsoft has been rumored to be working on a Surface phone since at least 2016. Microsoft's Surface Duo is that device, and Microsoft did suggest to Pocket Lint it has been in development for quite some time. It's a dual-screen, foldable Android-based device. As such, it's a different proposition to existing foldable phones and straight-up mini tablets like the iPad mini. Surface Duo price and release date. As we mentioned, Microsoft revealed the Surface Duo last October, but with the warning that it wouldn't be on sale for some time to come. That time has come. It'll be available from AT&T, Microsoft Store and Best Buy. There are no details on a Surface Duo release date in the UK or elsewhere. The device is expensive, slated at $1,399, but isn't ridiculous compared to high-capacity versions of rivals such as the iPhone 11 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. We knew the launch would be soon because Microsoft execs have been quick to show off the Android-powered dual-screen device on Twitter during summer 2020. Microsoft is allowing us to post our reviews of the Duo on the morning of September 10, which is also the date when these devices start shipping in the US. Surface Duo software. Surface Duo runs Android, albeit a heavily skinned version of Google's mobile operating system that actually reminds us of Windows 10X that will be coming to some other dual-screen Windows devices. It offers standard Android apps via the Google Play Store, and you can place or accept calls. Microsoft says it wants to help shape the dual-screen category by providing consistency in the way customers experience it and developers design apps. And Panay made it clear Microsoft is working with Google to add features to Android to enable this to work more seamlessly. Some reports suggest the Surface Duo will get a quick update to the imminent Android 11. However, while Microsoft's own apps like Office will work seamlessly with the dual screen, it remains to be seen whether other developers will make their own apps compatible. Microsoft has previously hinted at some on-device intelligence to cover this off, though. Surface Duo displays. The Surface Duo looks a lot like Microsoft's larger dual-screen Windows 10X-powered Surface Neo, but it's more pocketable. It features two 5.6-inch screens calibrated together for color and luminance. It rotates on a bespoke 360-degree hinge so that it works as an 8.1-inch tablet with a 3:2 aspect ratio. Separately, the displays have a 4:3 aspect ratio. The screen is 4.8 mm thick, so folded together it'll be 9.6 mm. While that's thicker than most flagship phones, it's still decent. However, we can see some criticism on the horizon for the thick bezels at the top and bottom of the screens. Each display can run two different apps at the same time. You can even use one of the displays as a keyboard, the most likely scenario, or game controller. Reports suggest that the screens work in a similar fashion too if you use a Windows PC with a second display. Both screens will support Surface Pen, so that may magnetically attach to the outside. That's unconfirmed though. Surface Duo camera. As with other tablets, with the notable exception of the iPad Pro, the cameras aren't best in class, but should still provide a decent experience. There's an 11-megapixel f2.0 lens that supports 4K and Full HD video at 60 FPS. There isn't one on the outside. It also features image stabilization, digital not optical, plus a 7x zoom and HDR support. Surface Duo hardware. The Surface Duo prototype featured a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, and while we believed it would use the newer Snapdragon 865 in the final version. However, it's going to launch with 855, which, like many of the other key specs, is disappointing for the hefty price tag. Indeed, there will be number 5G version, but this will surely change in the future. There's a physical SIM slot rather than being SIM only or similar. The device has 6 GB of memory and 256 GB storage sizes. Charging and data connectivity is via USB-C. We believe there is a fingerprint reader, too. As with other foldable devices, there are two batteries giving you 3,577 mAh in total, which is disappointing considering the 4,380 mAh in the Galaxy Fold. And that's it for today. If you want to keep in touch with the latest leaks and rumors in the tech world, then click that subscribe button below. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.